a new aircraft. Induction technology leads the trend. 14 years old flying plane. 14 plus for the 14 years old people. Easy to use. Infrared induction planes. Aba? So we have the helicopter aircraft. Let us see the inside. This is the remote control. Stop, restart. H and D. Okay. Where is the battery? This is the battery. AA 1.5 volts. 2 pieces AA battery. Okay, soft touch. This is, what's this? LED transmitter. So this is infrared transmitter or the remote control. Okay, 2 screw. And then let's see the other items. This is a USB cable for charging, micro USB. Okay, you can see this is micro USB for charging the, where are we going? Where is the charging? From here. So this is this helicopter is rechargeable plastic. Okay, what is this? Balancer. There is no other propeller. These 2 propeller, just like the drone. Okay. How can we? So there is a switch on the bottom or beneath. We have the switch. Why is it? Oh, okay. Oh, then the charging, USB charging, micro USB here. The charging, why is not? Hey you, okay, charging. And then what is this light? Let us see again. Okay, oscillator. So there is no screw. How can we detach this? There is screw here. Plastic. This one is aluminum. Plastic. Let us make some flight test. Let us first have the battery. For our remote, AAA battery for the remote. And then when I press the button, we have this input LED for the whenever we press the button. Okay. Up. What? Up. This left side. The right side is stop and restart. Up. Just an up command or up button. And stop and restart. This one left, up. UP, up. And here, since this is an infrared transmitter, so this one is an infrared receiver. There is a sensor into the bottom of the aircraft there. So when I slide switch, when it detects a surface, it will increase the speed of the motor, huh? So the motor is slower. When it detects an obstacle, it increases the speed of the propeller. This is just a proximity sensor. They called it induction technology. Proximity sensor using the infrared LED. And this one transmitter, this one is the receiver infrared. Okay, already been fully charged. Okay. This is the flight controller. There is infrared diode, and this one another infrared. Switch, micro USB, another microcontroller, infrared. This one is LED oscillator. Then another IC, another component. And the battery is the battery. Lithium polymer. And the motor, there is a gearbox with the motor. Again, okay, this is the main main body of the propeller. This is a drone motor, lithium polymer battery with flight controller, induction board, induction circuit. It is just a proximity sensor. This is infrared. This one is receive. Okay. That is the gearbox. That's all we have.